Good morning, we're back at it again. It's snowing, so we're gonna have ourselves a snow day.
Nerf this!
Check this out. I don't know if you can see this winter wonderland out there, but we going crazy, and I'm about to go do a quick clean. I'm not gonna go crazy because it's not gonna stop till like this afternoon. Welcome to New England. But first, coffee. So Lily's gotta go to work still in this craziness. Absurd.
I don't want to talk about it.
So yeah, we're gonna go shovel now. Clean off the cars and so forth, so. Oh my God. Let's see, let's see. Huh? Yeah. Oh, it's heavy too, it's heavy. All right, it's about 2:30 right now. Round one is done. I had to take a break. The snow is still coming down at a furious rate, and literally I'll do one area and 2 minutes later it'll be covered again like I didn't do anything. So now it's time to take a little break, get some coffee, get some food, relax a little bit, and then I think once it stops for good, I'm gonna go back out and do my thing. But man, even with a snowblower, that ain't easy, man. It's like the wet, heavy stuff. So if you experienced snow before, you know what I'm talking about. All right, time to chillax for a moment. So it is currently Friday. I didn't film anything else yesterday because there wasn't much else to film. My back is really sore from yesterday, even though, you know, majority of the work that was done was the snowblower. The only thing I shoveled was like the front of the stairs, the deck, the side deck, and you know, other areas where obviously I couldn't take the snowblower. But yeah, back's a little sore today, which is to be expected. Making some coffee for me and Lily right now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I think we got over a foot. Real quick, I don't know if this is gonna do it any justice, but see that huge mountain that the town plow put over there? And then look, if I was standing next to it, you could tell how high it is, but dude, we got a lot. Craziness. Winter wonderland. It's nice to look at. It's nice, you know, white Christmas theme. But if you're dealing with it 3 months out of the year, sometimes more, it's a pain in the balls.
You don't want to show this room, but you want to show your wife looking like a mess?
You're not looking like a mess. So we're just like tidying up a bit, and well, I've known where it was. It's been sitting there for a few days, but this cup was filled with a bunch of like love notes between Lily and I. And not only love notes, but like positivity. And, you know, when we were both working at the old job.
Look at this.
Yeah.
I'm so cute.
I know, look at.
Like I stealing all the stuff at work, all the paper. Are we stressed?
No.
Well,
But let's just
open it.
show the blog. Maybe they're stressed.
Yeah. The person who... oh, God, I don't even know. The person who sends out positive thoughts...
activates the world around him positively and draws back positive results. Stop sweating the small stuff. See, this happens every time you clean.
Yep.
Every time you clean, you find stuff, and then you get sidetracked on the stuff you found. And I'm gonna cut it off right here, so let's keep it going. So with basically having 2 snow days in a row, I'm not really sure where to take this video other than vlogging and so forth. Lily's upstairs filming. But I obviously want to sprinkle some value in here, which if you've watched this channel, then you know that I do even when I'm just like randomly vlogging. But let's talk about a few things that I've done wrong on YouTube or any social media for that aspect. One would definitely be being inconsistent. People think that there's some secret formula to being successful on social media, on YouTube, Instagram, whatever it is. And number one is to be consistent. And I've definitely broke that rule more times than I can count. Number two would be, not putting out quality content. You gotta put something out there that captivates people, and doesn't have to be the best thing in the world, but the number one thing it has to do is provide some sort of value, like I'm trying to do here, whether it be giving you information or entertainment, being funny or interesting or what have you. There's plenty of people that just sit down and eat a meal and mukbang with you, right? Or you got people like Matt Stoney who do like these food challenges, or like gaming channels. So that's number two, make sure you're providing some sort of value to the viewer. Why are they coming to watch you? Is it to be entertained? Is it to learn something? That's just something to keep in mind when you're filming. Number three is not being 100% authentic. And it's hard to be 100% authentic no matter what platform you're on, no matter how long you're doing it. There's millions of people potentially watching you, seeing your product all over the internet for life. And that's just something to keep in the back of your mind. It's hard to be 100% authentic, but the more you're authentic, the more you're going to relate with people. Because I think that one thing, especially this year, that we've all lost is that we all have commonalities. We all have similar interests, tastes, and if you're being authentic, you're gonna connect better with the people who like you or who are like you than you are trying to not be 100% yourself and connect with those who aren't your people or your tribe, or however you want to say that or spin that. But I think you're better off being polarizing, meaning being 100% true to yourself and connecting with those people who like you, because let's face it, we're not all gonna be for someone. That's just the way it is, man. Like, I might not jive with you, but I might jive with your best friend, you know what I mean? And that's just a really simple way of putting it, but I think that those are three things that I definitely have done wrong. Being inconsistent, not putting out videos of value, and not being 100% authentic. Even though I really do believe in 90% of my videos I have been 100% authentic now, and the ones that I haven't, I think stem back to the other two flaws, meaning I've put something out just to put it out, trying to be consistent, and I've put something out whether it's bringing you value or not. So I hope that makes sense, but I definitely want to convey in this comeback and this renaissance that I'm just being me, I'm just doing me, and I want to be consistent with it and be authentic, which is why, again, this video really didn't have a purpose other than just a vlog, and hopefully you get some laughs out of it, and therein lies the value, bringing you laughs, entertaining you, hopefully. Because some people do like just to watch other people vlogging, just their day, what they're eating, what they're cooking, what they're doing. Are they just chilling around at the house because, there's 1.5 feet of snow everywhere, and they're not going to the gym because they blew out their back shoveling it all, So I think that's definitely something to consider if you are on YouTube or social. Those three key points, being consistent, putting out value, and being authentic. Definitely 3 points. And there's so many more nuances to the social game, but I think those are the 3 biggest mistakes that I've made. And I think number one has definitely been the inconsistency, because I've taken a lot of breaks. There was a stretch, it was about a year that I didn't miss. I don't think I missed a week in a year. I remember it actually. The first week that I missed, We went to Martha's Vineyard, which if you're not from the US or Massachusetts, Martha's Vineyard is a little island off of the mainland of Massachusetts, and you have to take a ferry there or a plane. And so I didn't have the laptop, and there was no way to put up a video, and this is on me because I didn't plan appropriately and I didn't pre-load up a video to be released, and so it all spiraled down from there. But this is why we doing the comeback, getting consistent again, putting out that high quality value product, and just being me, doing me. So hopefully that brings some extra value other than the entertainment value to this video. Right now I'm just watching YouTube videos while Lily films, and just relaxing, taking it easy, resting up the back, because tomorrow we're going to hit the gym hard. Tomorrow's Saturday, and I think that I'm going to start looking for another drone. I'm going to wait till after Christmas to get it, unless I see like a really good deal. But if you guys happen to have your own drone and have any other recommendations, I was messing with the DJI Mavic. I was going to go with the Mavic 2 Pro, but I don't know if I can get better bang for my buck, because that's a lot of money, and God forbid the wind takes it. Maybe this time I'll re-up on the crash insurance. I think I gotta do that. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna get back to watching YouTube videos and looking up some drones and just relaxing. But yeah, I think right now I'm gonna get back to watching YouTube videos, researching some drones, and I'm gonna wrap some presents later, so I'll show you that. The rest of the presents are wrapped. That's what's up. It's a wrap, as they say in the film industry. Speaking of wrap, I'm gonna wrap this up here. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. I appreciate you. I'll catch you in the next one. Signing off.